Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to about common problems that almost every iPhone, iPad. So guys, here's issues, notifications not showing and not working on iPhone after updated. How can I fix this issue? Simply step by step and follow them. So guys, first turn off adaptive power mode or low power modes. So guys, both adaptive power mode and low power mode and delay or spreads notification to conserve the battery to disable them. So guys, first open settings on iPhone and then scroll down. Now search battery, tap it. So guys, if you have low power mode, you will turn on. So guys, you can disable this toggle and back home screen, close page. So again, enable background app refresh, open settings and then tap journal. Now type here background app refresh. Now we can see is toggle turn on background app refresh. So type on turn off and back home screen. After that, disable schedule summary. Schedule summary drops on urgent notification and delay them and schedules times delay and other alerts to disable it. Open settings and notifications. Search here notification, type it. Now you can see schedule summary, tap it and turn off toggle and back home screen and restart your iPhone. So tap here and restarts your iPhone. After that, enter your iPhone passcode and this problem fix it. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. And thanks for watching videos. Thank you.